Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakajingi kendo hapadengi Dr. Jongka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences ki banakatanat cardiology bat ka sarkar jilla hak pratarik mtau bana jimang arjar khat kendai ka sarkar jilla kala kuntu yakini ki doctor ban sedang biang no ya kajing sumar jongki hakani ka hospital hakatanat cardiology kapala sange trekam dagi Dr. Jongka ni katanat na kajingi ki jongki persya ki borpnya Jongka Negrims Hakajingya kendo hapeneng ka kunhun jongka cardiology department jongka negrim sapok kajingya lam jongu head of department jongka ne katanat Dr. Animesh Mishra bat ki menteri sarkar bakentup ya usembut menteri rangba ka jella uba Preston Tingsong bat menteri bakhmi ya katanat ka koit ka khia ka jella uba AL Hek nakaliang ka sarkar jella kala kuntu ya kane ka kunhun ki Dr. jongka cardiology department Hanegrims banado ka khandai tarik mentau bunai jemang ki dei ban sedang biang ka jing semar hagani katanat kabalong ru Katkum ka hukum jongka yengshari bahakli do jongka jilla ka Meghalaya High Court. Kumban syupen kan mau ki Dr. jongka Cardiology Department Hanegrims ki lapenlong ka jing sanget rekam ka balong shibenta ka jing yakhi jongki persya ya ki borpanya jongka Negrims Hospital halor kimat jing dawa jongki.
All our Gandhi consults and they have directed us that we make sure that not to be a single patient from the Meghalaya and other non-state should suffer. And they have understood our problems and they have directed that not even a single patient should suffer and do things in such a way that a proper solution should come out. A reasonable solution should come out so that patients should not be made to suffer. Rest of other things can follow later. So we are very happy that they have listened to our concerns. We also said that we are ready to operate for 24/7 things and we will clear all the backlogs which have patients who have been waiting for the last 1 week. Even if we have to stay in the hospital for 1 week, but we will make sure that no patient should suffer. And we made request that we should be heard by the director and we are happy that we have been heard by the state government. Today we had a meeting with the medical superintendent. We have given suggestions how it can be done and how we should proceed. And tomorrow there is another meeting where the Honorable Chief Secretary and other members will be there from Union Ministry. And then we'll see what comes out. It's too early for us to make any comment.
And so this meeting will held as part of the direction of the High Court?
It's, I think, I have not gone through the orders, but we are told like that. I mean, we have been heard in the court. We made our points clear that what we actually our intention is, our department is what our department has done in the last 15 years, and they have taken the note of all our work. And then I am expecting the decision to come out by evening. It can't be refuted that I am not open to inquiry. Every time, any day, at any point of time, I am open to any kind of external or internal inquiry.
Even for CBI inquiry?
Any CBI, certainly, we should be ready to operate at any point or at any time of day and night. The world has long ago decided that we have no working hour that anybody is bound to respect. Okay, so we are ready and we will abide by our words. We have been doing the work and we shall continue to do work. Actually, this is administrative matter. As a technical person, the material is inadequate in quantity and quality both. We are performing various types of procedures. So even one single procedure cannot be performed safely with those things. State government, central government, they are all monitoring our actions, our behavior as a doctor first. So I think we will stand out clearly as a doctor. But as of now, these last few months, these kind of things which are coming in the media, in the long run it may affect. But I am certain these are ephemeral phenomena and quality and the sincerity will prevail.
in this issue, we are also concerned about the services provided by NECRIMS, because right from 30th of last month till today, this department, I should say, it became totally non-functional. It became totally non-functional. And I don't know, it's almost a week, the patients will suffer a lot. So I don't know how many patients suffer, but I am sure they suffer a lot for this internal problem that they have. So therefore, from the state government, so we thought that we need to know everything. That's why our Honorable Health Minister, so he update himself, he taking stock of the situation and all. And then today we met these people, and we are being followed with the direction coming down from the Honorable High Court, because this is the immediate solution. Okay, immediate solution needs to be attended to. So don't ask this question, as I said to you, because ultimately whoever connected from the government side, we are open to call everybody. Okay, but as of now, as I said to you, the court has directed the management that you have to make your service available immediately. If need be, we will also set up inquiry committee, okay, on this issue, because we from the government side also we are concerned. We are concerned not only for our own people in Meghalaya, the entire northeastern states, and we came to know not only from northeastern states, not only from India. There are patients from outside India, like Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. They are here, all the way from far away. They came down to NECRIMS because they knew that NECRIMS is one of the best institutions. Because even from the state government side, as I said to you, we are concerned, like the Honorable High Court is also concerned. So immediate resumption of service is required. I think that is very important for all of us. You need to know the papers. You see, no, don't. We can't just talk verbally. So we have to see the papers. That's what I'm saying is right now. Forget about all those issues. We need not talk much about this, because this has to be again further study. We need to go up to the deepest, then only we'll understand what is what. The papers, you see, because every day they have the system in the institute. Okay, they have the system where they know. Okay, now like we have 10 patients. Maybe they need 10 stents, for example. If they need 10 stents, so ultimately the authority, meaning the management, has to provide that 10 stents, right? But I'm telling you, the issue here is when there is no stock, where are the patient goes? You are about to take the operation, and if there is no materials, what will you do? You get it? So therefore, as I said to you, this is not the issue right now. Our concern from the state government is we would like that the services is resumed immediately, so that the patient does not suffer.
But without stents, how will the operation?
See, that's what I'm saying. See, all these years is what happened. We never heard that there is any shortage of stent. But suddenly from 30th till today, they said there's no stent. If that is the case, as I said to you, we have to go deeper. Let us find out what's wrong. We will go deeper. We will go deeper than that. We will see. And then from the state government, we decided that we step in for the sake of the best services to be discharged by the NECRIMS hospital. Not only to the patients of Meghalaya, the entire northeastern states, as well as patients who come from outside the country.